Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I made these really beautiful Christmas decorative gift boxes. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Here are the items that I used for this project. I'll also leave a complete list of everything that I use down in the description box. So the first thing I did was start building my 3 mirrored boxes. You've probably seen this technique before. You simply place one of the mirrors face down and then use a combination of strong adhesive and hot glue to attach the additional mirrors. I purchased these 3-inch mirrors from Michaels. They are regularly priced at $1.99 for a 5-pack, but of course I used my coupons, so I was able to get each pack for $1. Adding a mirror to the bottom of a mirrored box is completely optional since you won't be able to see the bottom. However, I did add the bottom because I prefer a more finished look. I made 2 of these small mirrored boxes using my 3-inch mirrors. I also followed that same technique to build my larger box with the 5-inch mirrors as well. I allowed my boxes to dry for about 2 hours, and then I used my X-Acto knife to remove any excess glue. Next, I used my hot glue to attach the glitter ribbon horizontally and vertically along all 3 of my mirrored boxes. I will tell you that this glitter has a lot of fallout, so if you decide to recreate this project, you may want to consider using some hairspray or covering the glitter with Mod Podge to lessen that fallout. If you decide to recreate this project and opt to not add the bottom mirror, you will simply use the hot glue and attach the ribbon to the bottom inside of your box. I added 2 rows of my glitter ribbon to my larger box as well. I did not want to overlap the ribbon, so there was a very small gap in between each of the rows, but I'll show you how I covered that up a little bit later on in the project. Next, to add a ribbon to my boxes, I cut off 4 strips of the glitter ribbon to form 4 small bow ties, and then I used the hot glue to attach those bow ties to the top of my mirrored boxes. I didn't have a clear acrylic gem on hand large enough for this project, so instead I used 3 of these black glass gems that I purchased from Dollar Tree some time ago, and they worked out perfectly. To cover up the spacing I mentioned earlier, I used my hot glue to attach the gemstone stickers along the sides of my larger box and to my smaller boxes as well. I also added some of the gemstone stickers to the top of my bow as well. To complete the project, I removed glue strings, cleaned my mirrors, and here was my finished look. I think that these mirrored boxes turned out beautiful. They can be customized to fit any decor by simply changing the ribbon that's used, and they can fit perfectly on any tablescape or entryway table. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.